Welcome to Alpha Review. Today, we aren't just looking at a vehicle, we are looking at a paradigm shift in off-grid exploration. What you see before you is the TERANAX Overland Tactical, a machine that blurs the line between a heavy-duty expedition truck and a luxury mobile habitat. In a world saturated with standard camper vans and rooftop-tented SUVs, the TERANAX arrives as a monolithic answer to the question, how far can we actually go? This journey began with a vision of total autonomy. When we first approached the exterior design, the goal was to communicate raw, unyielding strength. Wrapped in a stealth matte black finish, the silhouette is imposing, yet purposeful. The front fascia is dominated by a heavy-duty steel bull bar, housing integrated winch points and high-intensity LED recovery lighting. It sits on a widened stance, supported by 37-inch all-terrain tires that look like they could chew through granite. But the magic isn't just in the rubber. It's in the engineering that allows this massive frame to move with agility across snow-covered mountain passes and desert dunes alike. As we move around the side of the vehicle, you notice the integration of the living pod. Unlike traditional bolt-on campers, the TERANAX body is a seamless extension of the chassis. The custom storage lockers are recessed into the bodywork, holding everything from recovery gear to external power hookups. The roof rack system is a masterclass in utility, stretching the full length of the vehicle to support a massive solar array, ensuring that even in the deepest wilderness, your power reserves remain topped off. Now, let's talk about the transition from the rugged exterior to the refined sanctuary inside. Stepping through the sealed entry door, the atmosphere shifts instantly. You are met with an interior that feels more like a high-end architectural loft than a vehicle. The design language here is industrial zen, a mix of dark wood textures, quilted black leather, and brushed. To your left, the kitchenette features a flush-mount induction cooktop and a deep basin stainless steel sink. The cabinetry is finished in a charcoal timber grain, equipped with soft-close latches designed to stay secure even during high-degree incline climbs. Opposite the kitchen sits the dinette, featuring diamond-stitched leather seating that provides a tactile sense of luxury. It's a space designed for planning the next day's route over a map or enjoying a meal while the storm rages outside the triple-paned, insulated windows. Moving toward the rear, the elevated sleeping quarters provide a panoramic view of your surroundings through the side and rear portals. The bed is positioned high to allow for a massive garage space underneath, accessible from the rear. This garage is the heart of the utility, capable of storing mountain bikes, inflatable kayaks, or enough supplies for a month-long excursion without contact with civilization. The lighting system inside is entirely modular. Recessed LED strips run along the ceiling and under the cabinetry, allowing the user to switch between high-visibility task lighting and a warm, amber glow for evening relaxation. It's all controlled via a central touchscreen hub that also monitors water levels, battery health, and internal climate. Performance-wise, the TERANAX is built on a heavy-duty 4x4 powertrain with locking differentials and a custom long-travel suspension system. Whether you are navigating the tight, icy switchbacks of the Rockies or the soft sands of the Skeleton Coast, the mechanical sympathy of this build is evident. It doesn't just conquer the landscape. It respects it by providing a stable, reliable platform that minimizes the stress of technical off-roading.